Hey, everybody. So today we're going to switch it up a little bit. My name is Alex Schwarzkopf. I'm the co-founder and CEO of a company called Pillar Technologies. And since we launched our product in January of 2017, just 6 months ago, we've been working with some of the largest builders in construction in the US today. And we've helped to save them over hundreds of thousands of dollars on each of their projects. But the construction market is huge. It's $1.17 trillion being spent in new construction just last year. And that industry is full of risk. In fact, pipes burst, mold grows, temperatures plummet, and fires break out. And the truth of the matter is, a lot can go wrong on an active construction site. So, despite the industry's best efforts to mitigate and prevent risk, you can only get so good through historical models. And there will always be risk associated with building. So, we looked at this and we said, how can we help? Pillar is focused on making this a thing of the past. We're taking the industry from reactive to proactive using data. We help insurance companies dynamically mitigate their risk exposure in commercial construction by giving contractors the tools to react to risk in real time. So let me give you an example of how we do this. We had a major carrier recently. They came to us. They had a very large loss. One cold evening in March in Manhattan, temperatures plummeted, pipe froze, drained 30,000 gallons through an almost finished building in 10 hours. Nobody knew. So this $25 million loss could have been entirely prevented just by monitoring something as simple as the temperature. And that's where Pillar comes in. So we deploy a smart network of durable sensors on the construction site that are capturing live data from these active job sites. So we're measuring 6 different environmental metrics that allow us to literally take the heartbeat of the building. We upload this information to the cloud platform where we can help contractors dynamically understand potential perils and take action. So in this case, the contractor would have been able to respond to that risk, and ultimately, they would have been able to prevent it entirely just by getting a push notification on their smartphone that the temperature was reaching unsafe conditions. And in this case, the solution was just closing a door. Not even kidding, $25 million. So, yeah. So, I guess the real question is, what can Pillar do for job sites? This is really one of 1,000 use cases which we've come up with in the last 6 months since we've been on the job site. But in order to do this, in order to scale quickly, we had to figure out a business model which was efficient and simple. So if you've ever bought a home or rented an apartment, you've been charged the same way we charge per square foot. We bundle our hardware lease, the software subscription, to a simply monthly package that makes it incredibly easy for us to quote and allows us to offer a high quality of service. So my team has been working together for the last 6 years. I'm extraordinarily fortunate as a CEO to have my best friends as my co-founders. We've had a tremendous amount of success in a very short period of time. And I'm excited to announce today that we're working on a commercial partnership with a major carrier to go to market together to their clients to bring Pillar to their job sites. We're also open to any potential partnerships today. We're focused in commercial insurance for construction and property. And my colleague Chris right there and myself will be available in the back room later. So come find us if you're excited and want to learn more. But in closing, I think the biggest thing here is that we know that our technology can provide our partners with a clear market advantage in today's hyper-competitive commercial marketplace. And we've shown that we can actually dynamically reduce loss ratios and ultimately provide the industry with the first defensible data set of its kind. I'm Alex Schwarzkopf. We are Pillar Technologies. So come find us and let's talk about building the future. Thank you.